happy birthday to my friend Maddie. Happy birthday, May Andy Guzman, aka Yamina. Happy birthday, girl. Enjoy your day. See you on Sunday, girl. Mabuhay ka hanggat kailan mo gusto. Okay ka na sa buhay mo, wala na akong ano sa yung wish, wala na akong ma-advise, wala ka naman pakialam sa mundo. Continue lang yung pagsuot ng swimsuit, girl. Lubot mo dai orange.
Ito mo! Yawa! Happy birthday, Ate Thane! More birthdays to come and God bless you! Happy birthday, kids! Love you!
Bam! Chief Justice, happy birthday! Yay! Sa Ilchuka Hamida, sa Ilchuka Hamida, 사랑하에 들나네, 살 축하합니다. Happy birthday, Ate Thane! Ang wish ko sa'yo, hindi ka magbago. Ganyan ka lang palagi. At yung trip nating mga walang kwenta, pagpapatuloy lang natin yan. Yay! Ready? Diri, kayo makadya sa akin para makalapit kayo. Ready? Ate Thane. 1, 2, 3, go!
Hi, Ate Thane! Happy birthday! God bless you and wish you all the best. Sana mag-asawa ka na. Enjoy your life and blessed you and this year. Bye! Hi, Baday Ina! Happy birthday, Day! Wish you all the best and a good health every day. Wish ko para nimo is hatagan kag taas pang kinabuhi sa Ginoo, daghang katuigan nga mag-celebrate sa imong birthday. Hopefully stay as you are, napalatawa. Pero may nagsigig joke, sigig pang bully. Happy birthday, Day!
Kawawang bra! Kay Thane, happy birthday. Wish ko sana ikasal ka na. No joke. I wish you good health. Thank you dahil nakilala kita. Naging magaan yung loob ko sa'yo. Alam mo na ata lahat yung yung kabalbalan ko. Kahit isang taon pa lang tayo magkakilala. More than 1 year. Thank you dahil kahit hindi mo ako love,
At least nakikinig ka sa mga kadramahan ko. Sa'yo lang talaga ako nagtiwala. Thank you dahil nakilala kita dito sa Hong Kong. Naging ate na yung turing ko sa'yo. Ikaw na yung parang tunay kong ate. Salamat sa mga payo. Minsan hindi man ako nakikinig, pero nasa isip at puso ko yun. Thank you. At kay Ena, happy birthday. More munggi to come. Yun lang. Alam ko naman na true friends tayo eh, di ba? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday kay Ena at saka kay Ate Tin. Huwag kayong magbabago ha. Marami pa tayong gagawin. Love you.
Hello, happy birthday, Mami Pain, and Maring Inabels. Wish ko sa inyong dalawa na sana makahanap na kayo ng tsupapi niyo para hindi na kayo manggulo sa love life ng iba. Ayan. Tapos, yun lang. Sana'y mabusog at malasing nyo kaming lahat kasi we are feeling cold.
Hi, Ate Ting! Happy birthday! Wish ko na sana matagpuan mo na yung, yung forever mo. I mean, kahit walang forever, basta may together. Stay happy and all the best for you. And to Manang Ina, happy birthday. And salamat sa pagiging mabuting kaibigan at saka sa pagbibigay ng saya sa team. Happy birthday.
Birthday daw ng dalawa. Tom, Pina. Oops. Pag-iwaling ko ng pangit pag pinagsabay. Wishing nothing but love and happiness for your special day. Happy birthday. And Tong hand, I guess. Shunichi, hiya.
Happy birthday, Ate Tain. I wish you all the best in life, good health, and more birthdays to come. At wish ko lang na sana mahanap mo na si Mr. Left kasi it's not always the right. So, wag mo nang hanapin si Mr. Right. Walang Mr. Right. So, kay Mr. Left ka na lang. So, yun. Ikaw naman ang sumunod. Thank you sa lahat na binigay mo sa aking advices. Minsan matigas talaga ang ulo ko. I really appreciate everything na ginawa mo. Especially nung nabuo natin ang soul. You're also part of being an admin. Ikaw yung nasa gitna ng lahat. at nagsasabi sa akin kung ano yung mga negative and positive feedback dahil di nila masabi sa akin ng harap-harapan. Yeah. Thank you for helping me building Cholex. Kayong dalawa ni Asin and all the others admin. Sana magtagal pa ang Cholex and then more adventure to go. Keep exploring. Never stop exploring. So we collect more memories. I wish you all the best. Sana hindi ka magbabago and andito ka pa rin. That yung time na dumating lahat-lahat. Alam mo na yun. Anyways, happy birthday again. Enjoy your day. Anna, happy birthday. Kahit na lagi tayong nagbabanggaan or madali akong mapikon. But you still there. Tampuhan lang yon. Mafi-fix din naman natin. So, thank you also for accepting being part of Soul nung in-offer namin sa'yo yon. Thank you so much. And sabi nga namin, ikaw yung ano to, nagpapasaya sa soul. Kasi wala kang ano to, non-stop yung energy mo. Kaya napapa-induct din lahat-lahat. Thank you. Happy birthday. Sana mahanap mo na si Munggi or si Spunky. Ano yung mga pinag-usapan yung Munggi and Spunky. And enjoy your day. Enjoy life lang, actually. And especially you have a daughter. Focus on that. And sana magtagal pa yung friendship natin. Kung ano man mangyari. Yung mga ups and downs. And then wishing you all the best in life. Good health and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
Hello Thane, happy birthday. More birthdays to come, more trails to go for. See you on the trail, and thank you for the chit chats. Been helpful. Hello Ading,
Hello, Anna.
happy birthday,
Wish you more birthdays to come
and more mountains to explore. Don't forget the chocolate
and the cola.
and the food that we bring.
See you on the trail.
See you on the trail.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy. Bye bye.